What is API security testing? 99% of organizations experienced API security issues in the past year. More than half had to delay releases because of security concerns. Why? Because APIs are now the primary attack vector. They expose direct paths to your business logic and sensitive data with no UI layer to hide behind. When an API endpoint is vulnerable, attackers get straight access to whatever's behind it. What is API security testing? API security testing finds vulnerabilities before attackers do. It systematically tests your endpoints, authentication, and authorization to identify exploitable weaknesses. The approach has fundamentally changed. It used to be something a security team did once or twice a year. Now, it's automated testing running in your CI/CD pipeline on every pull request. Here's how it works. Security testing tools read your API specifications, and sometimes even your source code, to understand your endpoints. Then they generate targeted requests designed to expose specific vulnerabilities. Testing for broken authorization, the tool authenticates as one user and tries accessing another user's data. Looking for injection flaws, it sends malicious payloads to see if your API executes them. The key is testing your running application and actually executing attacks to find what's exploitable. Types of API security testing. There are several types of testing, and each catches different things. Dynamic testing, DAST, tests your APIs at runtime by sending real requests. It's excellent for finding authentication flaws, authorization issues, and security misconfigurations. It proves vulnerabilities are actually exploitable. Static analysis, SAST, scans your source code for vulnerability patterns before deployment. It's good for catching coding errors early, but generates more false positives. Software composition analysis, SCA, examines your dependencies to flag known vulnerabilities in the libraries you're using. And penetration testing brings in human experts to find novel attack vectors that automated tools might miss. For APIs, dynamic testing is most effective because it tests the running application in real conditions. How to get started. First, inventory your APIs. You can't secure what you don't know exists. Document all your endpoints, REST, GraphQL, gRPC, internal microservices, everything. Second, establish API specifications. Testing works much better with accurate OpenAPI docs or GraphQL schemas. Third, start with a pilot. Pick one representative API, configure your testing tool, and run your first scan. Expect some tuning, that's normal. Then integrate into CI/CD. Modern tools provide plugins for GitHub Actions, GitLab, Jenkins, whatever you're using. Configure tests to run on pull requests so you get feedback before code merges. Finally, establish remediation workflows. Testing only matters if findings lead to fixes. And catching vulnerabilities during development costs 100 times less than fixing them in production. When done correctly, API security testing is what enables confident, rapid development. Ready for security testing that keeps up with the velocity of AI coding? Visit StackHawk.com to learn more.